Okay, students, give your feedback for the passage that we have really asked for, because we are preparing these passages as CLAT dress rehearsal passages. These passages will boost up your vocabulary, enhance your reading speed, and make everything crystal clear to you. And this is what is looking forward to a definition of efficiency. And this is what is expected in the CLAT paper. They don't want rote learners. They don't want people who are the people who mug up the things or who just mesmerize the things in such a way. They want people who have a command of the language. The reasoning skills are very strong. They can infer the passage. They can understand the main idea of the passage, what is applicable and what is not applicable. So this is a sixth passage, and then I'll be turning for tomorrow a new part, that is the poem section of this passage, right? So you are ready for the sixth passage? Let's begin. Just scrolling it a bit so that you can directly come up to the sixth passage. And here we go for the sixth passage. Yes. Saving energy means saving money. Homeowners and renters know this basic fact, but they often don't know what kind of adjustment they can make in their homes and apartments that will result in saving. So it's clearly said, you're saving energy, you're saving money. Because if you will make a little bit of adjustment in your home appliances, in your apartments, it will result in saving. So save energy, save money, just a little bit of adjustment in your apartments, in your electronic appliances, and you save money. Right? For those willing to spend some time and money to reap long-term energy savings. What will it reap to? Long-term energy savings. An energy audit is the way to go. So what is it? Do an energy audit. An energy audit will come into your home and assess its energy efficiency. Energy audit kya karega? See the work? It will assess its energy efficiency, how much the efficiency of the house is. The auditor will pinpoint areas of your home that use the most energy. They will pinpoint, focus on it, which parts use the most energy, and he would offer his naturally suggestions and things for it. We scroll further. He would offer the solutions to lower your energy use and cost, how you can minimize your cost of energy. Trained energy auditors know what to look for and can locate a variety of flaws. What is flaws? Mistakes that may be resulting in energy inefficiency, including inadequate insulation, construction flaws, and uneven heat distribution. They will tell you what is the problem, where there is inadequate things, where there is construction flaws, where the heat distribution is uneven. See, all the flaws have been pinpointed by them. They are quicker and less costly measures that can be taken as well. One way to save money is to replace incandescent lights which are not very bright but which cost too much. Condensed is bright with fluorescence. This can result in saving more than 50% on your monthly lighting costs. When it's time to replace old appliances, it's wise to spend a bit more for an energy efficient model. See, you are using an old model which consumes a lot of electricity. So use a new one, energy efficient one. But be sure you're taking advantage of energy saving settings already on your current refrigerator, dishwasher, washing machine, or the dryer. Windows provide another opportunity to cut your energy cost. Chalk and windows that lightly be leaky to prevent drafts, and choose double paned windows if you're building an addition or replacing old windows. So it's clearly talked about windows here. Most areas of your home or apartment offer opportunities to save energy. That means there are various places you can save energy, and saving energy means saving money. So both are interconnected. Yes, the results are significant and well worth the effort. If you take this effort, it is well worth, it is good for you. Let's turn to the questions then. Which two main organizational schemes can be identified in the passage? What does the passage talk about? The two organizational schemes. You want me to you to do it? Okay, I guess it's like that you go through the question. Since students had asked me to, they want to do it, so Les must be ready now. I don't have to delete it. You must be ready with the answer. Yes. What would be the answer? Tell me, dearies. Come on. Very quick about it. Yes, hierarchical order is discussed. There is no hierarchical order discussed here from highest to lowest. No order of that sort. Order by topic and cause and effect, hierarchical order and chronological order. We don't have any chronological order, nor we have any compare and contrast. So order by topic and cause and effect relationship. What is cause and effect? If you use things in a proper way, less energy, less utilization of money. Save energy, save money. The answer is crystal clear. That is 25th. Question number 26. Which of the following, what is the writer saying? Which of the following ideas is not included in the passage? Passage doesn't include which of them, right? So if you see clearly here, you can reduce your $130 lightning speed to 65 by using fluorescent bulbs instead of incandescents. If you're using fluorescent, it would be costing you more, not less. So this is absurd point here. Turning to second, double paned windows can cut energy costs, right? That means this is of course true. Your local energy company will send an energy auditor. Energy auditor you would call or local energy company would send. So when we are choosing the answer, see, you are asked not included. Just a minute. You are asked not included. So, of course, this is given that monthly lightning cost would be there. So, this is given. This is also given, but your local company, you are going to call on your own. Some appliances have energy saving settings. Of course, they have energy saving. So, only this part of the point is not mentioned as the passage and we choose this answer. So, we will have to cross these and we will have to go for the right answer. Not you have to be very careful of, don't miss it. Sometimes it happens, we carelessly do so. Which of the following best expresses the main idea of the passage? Your favorite question. Let's scroll it and turn to the main idea of the passage. Right? 2 points here and 2 points there. Scroll. Which is the best expresses the main idea of the passage? When we have this kind, there are many things a homeowner or renter can do to save energy and money. Of course, that's right. Because whole passage is about what, dearies? Is it about energy saving and money saving? Yes. Hiring an energy auditor will save energy and money. Energy auditor, if you hire, it will save money and energy. Of course, that is also mentioned. Homeowners and renters don't know what they can do to save energy and money. Yes, some extent it is also right. Replacing windows and light bulbs are well worth the effort and cost is also right. If all the four are right, then what to do? What to do is main idea. What is main idea? Just close your eyes and see what is this passage about. To save energy. How to save energy, how to save money. The passage talks about this. Which point talks about this? Answer A. Got it? All four are right. Wish to choose which is the maximum discussed point. 28. According to the passage, which of the following would an energy auditor not to do? What he would not do? He would check for construction flaws. His purpose is to find out the flaws and mistakes. Of course, he would do it. Look for problems with heat distribution. Of course. Offer solutions to lower your energy cost. Because his purpose is called to find out flaws and mistakes. Locate a variety of flaws that may result in energy inefficiency and fix them. He would not fix any. He would just give you suggestions to do so. So, he would not do this. This would be our answer, which is crystal clear. Turning to our next question in this. What, according to passage, double pane windows, what do? Are energy efficient, they're very energy efficient, should only be used as replacement windows. He doesn't talk anywhere that they are replacement windows. Should only be used in new addition to homes. If there are new homes being added, it doesn't say so. Will lower your heating cost. It does not include about the heating cost. We have just one point mentioned about it as per the passage. I do scroll it for you here to tell you where is it mentioned. Please see. Please see here. Double pane windows, if you're building an addition or replacing old windows, it could be prevent drafts, cut your energy cost, right? So turning to the question that we have, 29th, it would be energy cost will be cut. So if energy cost will be cut, what does it mean? It means less energy, money saving. And so that is the answer. Okay, so I hope you have got all the questions right. Even if one or two are wrong, don't get disheartened. Your thinking perspective would change once you start doing the passages. And also because of the great demand of the students, come to the poetry section of the passages. Yes, you're ready? Okay, for the next video, we'll be doing one or two of the poems. Wonderful reading. Thank you, students.